In this video I will show you how to fix the photo swipe not working on TikTok. If you are on TikTok and you want to create the photo slideshow but the feature isn't working properly or it's simply missing, then I will show a few solutions to fix this issue. First, open up the Play Store. Search for TikTok. So here, make sure your TikTok app is on the latest version. So if there is update button, click on it and update it. In my case it is on the last test version. And after you update the TikTok app, check if photo mode option is still missing. If it's still missing, try to uninstall and reinstall the TikTok app, and that should solve the problem. If the problem still exists, I will show you one more fix. So open up TikTok app. Then I need to come to my profile. Then click on the three lines in the top right. Then tap where it says Settings. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Click on Account and Profile. Next, select Editing Profile. Select Other. And then click on Need More Help. Now you need to write something like this to the TikTok support. TikTok photo mode option is missing on my account. I need this to be fixed. You can write something like this and they will fix the issue for you. I hope some of these methods fixed your issue.